Hello, let's look into today's Leetcode problem, which is maximum number of integers to choose from range 1. In this question, you are given with three inputs. First one being an integer array called band, second one is n, and the third one is maximum sum. And what you want to do here is try to form an array which doesn't have band numbers, and sum of all of the elements in that array should not exceed 6. That's as simple as the question might get. And the array should have unique elements present in them, and it's the array's element should be in this range. So that's what they mentioned here. So let's think of it in layman terms, right? If you're not given with band array, you don't have to ban anything. You have given number n and maximum sum also. So what can be done in such scenarios is you simply follow a greedy approach. You try storing elements starting from the lowest value, that is 1. Then you will store 2. Let me write it down here for simplicity. You will store 1, then 2, then 3. You will check if the sum is greater. Yeah, it goes greater or equal to 6. Then 2 should be your answer. As simple as that. Let's take another example, right? So let's try to make it a little bigger. Let's say for max sum is 8 and n is 6, then what can be stored? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can 4 be stored? If the max sum is, let's say, 10, then yes. So 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. No, actually not. So then your answer should be the number of elements present in the array. That's it. So you go through the solution greedily, try to see if that element is banned or not. If it's banned, then you don't choose it, else you proceed. If you're finding a barrier, if you're finding the end point where the condition is not satisfied, you simply break and return the array or count. Here all you need to do is return the count, so I'm not storing anything in any kind of array. So what we are doing here is using an unordered set, because every time you don't want to iterate through the band array to see if an element is present or not. So you can simply use a hash set to see if an element is present in the band array or not. So I've converted the band array to band set here for big of one search time complexity. Then I simply iterated over the range that they have mentioned in the question, that is from 1 to n, and I'm checking if the element is present in band or not. If yes, then I simply continue. If no, then I keep a track of sum as well, the current sum. If I choose an element, then obviously I'll be increasing the current sum with that element, right? So that's what I do here. If I end a breakpoint here, then I simply break and simply return. That's it. That's how simple the solution is. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.